Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today India will tide over the coronavirus pandemic and will get back on track with the government's decisive policies. Prime Minister Modi made the comments while delivering the inaugural address at the Confederation of Indian Industries CII Annual Session 2020 Getting Growth Back. Modi congratulated the industry body on completing 125 years of the organization as he made his first major speech on the Indian economy since the announcement of Unlock 1. 2 more people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the state, taking the tally to 85 today. The two, one female and one male, tested positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory VRDL of RIMS, IMPHAL last night, according to Dr. Koirom Sashikumar Mangang, Additional Director and Spokesperson, Health Department, Manipur. Now the coronavirus active cases in the state stand at 74 as 11 have been recovered and discharged. Coronavirus cases in India surpassed 1.98 lakh tally today as it registered a jump of 8,171 COVID-19 infections in the past 24 hours. According to reports, in the next 24 hours, India's coronavirus count is expected to cross the tally of 2 lakhs. Researchers across the world scramble to find a vaccine for coronavirus as the COVID-19 cases world over touched 6,265,496 cases. Continuous heavy rainfall has caused landslide near Barak Bridge along IMPHAL-JIRIBA highway this morning at around 5. Traffic movement has been halted to the landslide on the highway. A team of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) has been asked to clear the mud and debris from the site, official sources said. Imphal East District Police arrested 3 persons for forging the signature of Chief Minister N. Biren while applying for job at JNIMS, Imphal. Speaking to media at a conference hall of SP Imphal East, Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Haubijam today appealed to the people to stay away from such crimes. He believed more people were involved in the fraud case. Following a TOMTV report on the life of MOIRANGTHEM Rajesh, many have started helping him financially. Rajesh is the son of MOIRANGTHEM Patma of Langol Ayinglekai in Imphal. He has been suffering from an illness for the past 3 years. Due to poverty, his mother has not been able to afford his medical treatment. Rajesh has been admitted to the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Lumpville for treatment. YAIRIPOK Universal College, THOUBAL WANGKHEM Huidram Lekai today celebrated its 30th Foundation Day. At the occasion, food was served to the inmates of a quarantine center inside the college campus. Assam has registered 22 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 1,485 with 1,194 active cases. Confirming the news, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, in his latest tweet on the state's COVID-19 status, said 3 of the infected patients are air travelers. Mizoram recorded 12 new COVID-19 positive cases last night, and all the new cases were confirmed at Zoram Medical College, as informed by State Chief Minister Zoram Thanga on social media. Mizoram was recorded as a green zone area when it became COVID-19 free state after its lone patient recovered and discharged from a hospital on May 9th last. A cluster of 9 coronavirus cases raised concerns in Hong Kong over renewed local transmission in a city that has been one of the most successful in keeping the pandemic under control. As per media reports, Hong Kong government was expected to extend a ban on group gatherings larger than 8 later today, which is due to expire at the end of Thursday this week, but the authority extended the ban for another 2-week periods considering the situation.